I'm praying for.
Yes, you should also be disturbed. As a citizen of West Bengal, having been brought and brought up here,
when submissions are made,
yes,
that also
it should
disturbs.
pain you. It should pain you also.
Look,
Pains me.
it does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your lordship doesn't want to hear us. No, there is a difference.
No.
Submit what I've been trying to submit for some time. First and foremost, may I say that as of now, and I say now, the PO is secure. All these allegations that the PO has been demolished, destroyed, nothing is correct.
Then you file an affidavit.
I can one more thing, may I just say? As far as the demolition work that happened, that was not anywhere, that was not in the PO or anywhere. That is for other room because there was a long-standing demand.
Sir, what was the urgency?
The urgency is not, I'll tell you, Lordship, that is that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, I say.
All right, you go to any district court complex. You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go to Siliguri. You go to Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
No, I am saying.
I say this with responsibility.
Yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here. What has the PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secured.
Yes.
When the demolition was carried out was outside, much further away from the PO.
How many patients are there? We'll close down the hospital. We'll shift all the patients to some other government hospital. We'll convince the patient party to cooperate. We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. Close the hospital. How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best. And all this story is saying that within 12 hours, restroom has to be provided. No, the conditions, sir. See the condition in the court premises.
No, if I'm not, if PO is fully secured, I say it as of now. Your Lordship does not want to hear my submission. My submission is, the issue is the PO. The PO I said as of now is also. There is no demolition work that has happened in the PO. I'm saying it with responsibility.
You take your word. You let this be on record by whoever is the dean of the hospital or administrator of the hospital. Let him file saying that nothing has been done. You support.
Nothing is in the PO.
Yes. And you can substantiate with photographs. And you can say, and what was the work done? We are with an open mind, sir.
Yes, but that's all I'm praying for.
Yes, you should also be disturbed. As a citizen of West Bengal, having been brought and brought up here.
When submissions are made,
yes.
That also disturbs.
It should pain you also. It pains me.
It does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your Lordship doesn't want to hear us. No, there is a difference.
No. It's not that way, sir.
Your Lordship.
I am categorically saying the PO is secure as of now.
He will take your word. You let an affidavit come on record saying that the PO is safe. CBI is under investigation. If they want, they can controvert. They can also examine.
We have no problem. Let them go. That is the investigating agency. Have they come and said that PO has been demolished?
We have not taken up the issue today. The matter has been listed today because several requests have come by the writ petitioners themselves reporting about this vandalism. So this vandalism, could it have been prevented, is the moot question. Who did it, for what purpose it was did, etc. There's a gross difference between 35 people and 7,000 people. How many entered the hospital? What was the reason to break all facilities in the emergency wing? This can never be understood, sir. Such things has occurred in any part of the country.
I have with me, it's just that I cannot show it to your Lordship. The amount of resistance the police were putting up and how this vandalism
is true, sir. The police are also injured. That's
sufficient. Even a rank of deputy commissioner has got injured. The other officers are also injured. That is when.
So therefore, but today, is it a failure of the law and order situation?
It is not.
That shows the helplessness of the state police authorities, and that is why we pray for deployment of central paramilitary force.
Wait.
That is the.
Mr. Bakshi, please.
Minute.
Therefore, something should instill confidence in the mind of the court, sir.
if I may, just my point is, this situation is very unfortunate. What is happening? Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA. But these doctors strike. Now, more patients are dying. More patients. This doctor strike. Here's the Supreme Court. All I want, the Supreme Court order. We went.
No, we are going to hear the doctors.
No, it's different thing. It's a different thing. They came only the patients with that. We are on different.
Dr. V, you please file your petition.
He stays in USA. He has so much interest in Calcutta affairs. That's significant. Please, let us. One. We know.
You should first understand the agony your fraternity is going through.
Totally. I'm with them.
So
but
we will
not like shutting down hospital. What is happening?
Yes, it has to be.
Only one hospital is
just one. What Supreme Court?
No, we will not receive anything. You please file your
petition. This matter on Monday has to be mentioned.
Yes.
Leave is granted.
Leave is granted to file. Please
Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Parallelly, a committee may be formed only for, Your Lordship, the condition of female doctors there who are working, who are studying is precarious. A judicial committee may be created only to suggest what state could take measures to improve the condition. This is required. Not only safety, plus the hygiene. Sexual Harassment Act, which has been brought in as a law. This is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to in any of the government hospital. The public toilets are worse than a gutter. I'm uttering this word, Your Lordship. As a public citizen, I cannot go to a public hospital for treatment because I do not want to be in such situation. But my state doctors are compelled to work there because they want to study, they want to improve the society by giving them medical facility. So a judicial committee only to suggest. I'm not against the state.
All right, we'll consider a prayer at the appropriate.
So, as a matter of fact, Mr. Banerjee, I don't think he was apprised of that. There were two acts. One was breakage of a wall, if you Lordship remember. The second.
No, that we'll go into conclude.
Yes.
Mr. Banerjee has told.
That was, as a matter of fact, the joint decision taken by the protesting doctors and the hospital.
You bring on record.
What to carry out at that point of time after the CD was.
The thing is,
it was not at the place of occurrence. Just not in the
that is actually a part. The place of occurrence is completely secure. Let the affidavit with photographs. No issues. Now, what is the issue is, if suppose this incident which occurred on 14th is repeated in any other institution, what like? So, if the police are injured, they are unable to control the mob, then the law and order situation has failed. That's it.